In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Cisco Webex. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Cisco Webex executable installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Cisco Webex download page. Then I will scroll down a bit and I will click on visit our admin download page. Here I will expand download the installer and I will be downloading the non-localized 64-bit version. So I'll click on the link right here. The download should start and I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template and I will be using this template package to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on the file, then I will click on the button right here to download the NuGet package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now here I have my template and also the installation file. I will double click the template and it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, it appeared here. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey Install, then on Edit, and I will go back to my GitHub page. Because here I have this PowerShell snippet, and this PowerShell snippet is responsible for executing the installation. As you can see, it finds the installation file inside of the package. It executes the installation, and after that it will remove the installation file from the computer. So let's copy this snippet by clicking on the button right here. Then let's go back to the package and insert the script here. And here we need to provide few values. For the child path, we need to provide our executable file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the executable, select rename. I will select the full name to include the extension because that's important, and I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package, insert the value here. For package name, I will enter Cisco Webex. For file type, we need to enter MSI because our executable is an MSI file. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. Once again, I will go to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches for the silent installation. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's basically it with this script. Now we can save it, go back, and now we need to provide some information about the package. So I will click on this edit button right here. And for the package ID, I will enter Cisco Webex. Now for the version number, I will enter 43.12.028.111. At least I think that this is the correct version for this executable, at least at this time. And for the description, we can enter, I don't know, Cisco Webex. That's enough. Let's save our information and we have our package. Now we need to save it by going to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository. So let's click on Save. And that's it. Now before the installation, I can show you that I don't have Cisco Webex on my desktop. Also, if I go to Control Panel, uninstall a program, we don't see it in this list right here. Now to execute the installation, I will open my terminal as administrator because we need administrator permissions to install the software. And let's start typing the Chocolatey install command. It's choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we entered here. So it's Cisco Webex. And because I'm using my download folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and provide the repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y. Let's press enter and wait a bit. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. I have my Cisco Webex desktop shortcut right here. I can double click on it. It seems to be working just fine. It gives me the sign-in screen. Let's close it. Let's go check the program list. Let's refresh it. And it also appeared here. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And see you in the next one.